Watch this video to discover how to update the menu configuration. We will be utilizing the example SA project. To proceed, first navigate to the visualization section. Next, click on Menu Configuration. Finally, choose whether you are using standard or industrial graphics. Currently, the entire menu configuration is visible on the screen. This configuration is presented in both the lower panes and the header. Here, we recommend implementing a new menu button on the right side to help arrange new pages. Every menu button will indicate the total count of alarms connected to its configuration. Go back to Menu Configuration. The navigation menu for a situational awareness project needs to have navigation entered in the page field for each menu entry. The Level 1 field allows for the specification.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.